Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my teriyaki chicken. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by mixing the ingredients to make our sauce. So to my measuring cup, I'm going to be adding 1/4 of a cup of mirin, 1/4 of a cup of sake. This is the one I'm using. Along with that, 1/4 of a cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger, garlic powder, and chili flakes. Now we're just going to mix it all together until everything is well combined. And once we have it, we can set it to the side. Alrighty guys, now for our chicken, I'm using 2 pounds of chicken thigh. I already trimmed some of the fat. We're just going to season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And here we're also going to be coating it with some cornstarch. Just make sure to completely coat it. Okay, and you want to do that to both sides of the chicken. Alrighty, and once we have our chicken, we can now get ready to take it to the stove. You guys, now to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to be heating up a little bit of oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to grab our pieces of chicken. Make sure not to overcrowd your pan. And here we're going to cook our chicken for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Alright, so after 5 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over and just allow that side to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, and once we have cooked all of our chicken, now we're just going to set it to the side and carefully deglaze your pan. Just give that water and just clean it up. Okay, so once we have deglazed our pan, we're going to reduce the heat to medium. Give your sauce a quick mix and pour it to your pan. Okay, now just allow it to cook for 5 minutes and make sure to move it constantly so like that it doesn't burn. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our sauce should have reduced and it should have thickened. So here we're going to return our chicken to the sauce. Just put it in there. And here we're just going to allow it to continue cooking for another 2 minutes. Alright guys, and after 2 minutes, our delicious teriyaki chicken is done. So here we're just going to turn it off and allow it to rest for a few minutes, and then we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and after a couple minutes, we can now get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here is seriously the best. It's so delicious, so flavorful, and best part, it's quick and easy. So I am so ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so flavorful, so delicious. The chicken is nice, tender, juicy. Seriously, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious teriyaki chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're into my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.